Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather and this is the Supply Junkie. And this next planner that I'm doing is my A5, and I've never used the cousin, so we are going to try it out. This is going to be like my personal journal and stuff like, you know, the gym, what I'm eating, stuff like that will go into this one. So I am doing the monthly first. And I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make labels, but I think I'm going to track all my blood pressure and stuff right here. Maybe blood pressure, my weight, stuff like that. Trying to keep an eye, closer eye on my blood pressure because it does really good. And I noticed if I take any sort of ibuprofen or anything like that to deal with my body aches from my arthritis, my blood pressure is shooting through the roof. So it'll help me track that a little better. And I made this kit as well. Same backgrounds and clip art from Design Lovely Studio. I made all my kits to match, so it's just kind of more of the same, just a different planner. And this one, I will put like days I go to the gym and stuff as I go. So it'll be pretty open. And I cannot seem to get this lined up straight right now. I've done so many planners today that I think everything's just kind of like, nope, no more. Okay, there we go. And on these ones, and I think I'm going to do this in the future, I put the days of the week right on it. Hold on, let me move these. They're kind of in my way. My little sticker books. My lens cover. So this one will be pretty open and then filled out throughout the month. And that is going down crooked. And in my other videos, I noticed I do everything sideways, but I was lining up how I was lining up with my camera and I was out of frame, so I will try harder in this one to kind of keep it where it's supposed to be. Let's see, this I believe was the cover up here. Okay, that's what that was. I'm putting that on upside down. There we go. Yep, I cannot get a sticker straight today. This stress. You make your own sticker kits. Purchase the removable or repositionable sticker paper. It's a lot easier to lift it and redo it. And once I get more and more into like what fits my needs and stuff, then I'll be able to kind of tweak these kits down so they're not quite as large. But because especially this planner is completely new to me, I made extra because I'm not quite sure what I need. Where did I put my tweezers? I know they were just here. Oh, here they are. I found them. And then the family is playing FaceTime right now. So if you hear them in the background, that's what's going on there. When I'm done filming, I'll go join them. These ones are easier to put on because they're bigger. See, any one of the kits I made a 2020. A little extra sticker inside off there. But I think after I made this kit, I was like, oh, I don't need that. Because the front of the book tells you the year it is. But since I made it, we'll use it anyway. That 12 wanted to stick to my hand. And this 11 will bug me. And the 22 came off before. Somewhere along the way, I lost the 20. I don't see it, but I'm sure I will find it later. Oh, I found the 20. It was on my fingernail. You guys probably saw that. I was like, it's right in front of you. And then, like I said, this I will kind of fill out as I go. So, let's see. Today was really, all I did was film today. So today was kind of a lazy day. So let's get in here. And I'll just put film. And then I will know that not much anything. I was going to go to the gym this morning, but then I took that Dayquil and didn't make it to the gym. So that will be tomorrow. So okay, so I will fill this out as I go along and kind of keep track of my habits that way. So that is all I'm going to put in this one for now. Next I'm going to film the weekly layout. So I will show you guys that next. Thanks for joining me. Bye.